Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 10 questions for TGT PGT English Literature and English Literature associated other teaching exams as a practice set 34. Let's start. Question number 1. Read the following lines and answer the questions that follows it. O Julius Caesar, thou art mightier, thy spirit walks abroad and turns our swords in our one proper entrails. What is the essence of this statement? Brutus was too mighty. Caesar was mighty even after his death. Antony was mighty. Cassius was mighty. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Caesar was mighty even after his death. Option B will be the right answer. The above lines has been taken from Act 5 Scene 3 of Shakespeare's Julius Caesar. Brutus speaks the above lines on seeing Titinius laying dead by his one sword. The gist of the statement is that Caesar was mighty even after his death. Next question. Autobiography means the life history of a person written by someone else, the life history of a person written by himself, the life history of a person as reflected in his writings, the life history of a person created in painting by himself. What will be correct answer? Autobiography means the life of history of a person written by himself. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Gitanjali in English was published in 1911, 1912, 1913, 1914. What will be correct answer? Gitanjali in English was published in 1912. Option B will be the right answer. English version of well-known poetry collection of Rabindranath Tagore. Tagore's Gitanjali was published in 1912. Next question. The term Victorian evokes the attitudes of Philistinism, moral earnestness, licentiousness, transcendentalist. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be moral earnestness. Option B will be the right answer. The term Victorian was first used during the Great Exhibition in London 1851, where Victorian inventions and morals were shown to the world. Next question. When I consider how my light is spent, what does light refer to? Sunlight, infrared ray, eyesight, cosmic rays. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be eyesight. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. The major contribution of the Restoration period is in the field of philosophical writings, poetry, drama, letters. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be poetry. Option B will be the right answer. Restoration literature is written during the historical period commonly referred to as the English Restoration 1660 to 1689. All the major poets of the period like Samuel Butler, John Dryden, Alexander Pope, John Milton, etc. wrote their poetry during this period. Next question. The French Revolution has a significant impact on Victorian literature, Romantic literature, Neoclassic literature, modern literature. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Romantic literature. Option B will be the right answer. The French Revolution was a period of far-reaching social and political upheaval in France that lasted from 1789 until 1799. Next question. In which poem does the following lines appear? Our birth is but a sleep and a forgetting. Michael, Immortality Ode, Rejection Ode, Tintin Abbey. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Immortality Ode. Option B will be the right answer. Ode intimations of immortality from recollections of early childhood, also known as Immortality Ode, is a poem by William Wordsworth which was completed in 1804. Next question. In Greek mythology, Aphrodite is the goddess of poetry, war, love, peace. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be love. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Blank Space was the first sonnet sequence in English. Edmund Spenser's Amorety, Philip Sidney's Astrophel and Stella, Samuel Daniels' Dahlia, Michael Drayton's Ideas Mirror. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Edmund Spenser's Amorety. Option A will be the right answer. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the learning about 10 questions. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.